kindergartners. Mrs. Morris here for another number corner. We are almost done with this remote learning period and it's almost summer break. Almost time for you guys to be first graders. All right, if we look at the top, here are our days of the weeks. And today is May 6th. It's a Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Tuesday, correct. It was Tuesday. If today is Wednesday, what's tomorrow going to be? Thursday. Good job, friends. So today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Say it with me. Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Good job. All right, let's see what is behind our card. Oh, it's a kitty cat. And do you notice it is a model? It has a model, a number model. So if we look over at our calendar grid, today is May 6th, and it gave us a model. Who can read that model? Wow, some friends even know it went at the end. 5 plus 1 equals. We don't know what it equals. We're going to figure that out with our 10 frame. So remember, boys and girls, we're going to put 5 first. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love hearing people count with me. 4, 5. And then one more for that 1. So I have 5 for the number 5, and I have 1 for the number 1. What's 5 plus 1? 6. Yeah. Do you notice that today is the 6th of May and our model has a 6 at the end? Yeah. So remember, on days that we have a model, we have to come up with an story. Now, I've heard from Miss Petrick that she has some friends in her class, like friends in my class, that have finished their goal of kindergarten on Khan Academy. And I heard that one of those friends in Miss Petrick's class is Crew. Crew, congratulations. I hear you have finished the Kindergarten Khan Academy. I am so proud of you, along with Miss Petrick and Miss Bentley and Miss Kate. We're all just so proud of you. And so I'm going to put your name in the story problem today. So, Crew, I don't know if you like cats or not. If you don't, this is just make-believe. But this picture card has a cat on it. So we are going to tell a story about Crew. Here you go. You ready? Crew got 5 cats for his birthday. He got another cat from his grandma. How many cats does Crew have all together? So if we think about that, Crew has 5 cats. There's the part of the story for the 5. He got another cat from his grandma, 1 cat from his grandma, that's the 1. And the question says, how many cats does he have all together? 5, and 1 more from his grandma is 6. Nice job, Crew. Congratulations. And I hope everybody else is really close to finishing and gets it done by the end of this week. We would be so proud, and I might mention your name. All right, now we're going to go to our pocket chart and do our spinner. Here comes our spinner. Get your finger ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cat. All right. Oh, that is for a second from now. We're going to do that. I have to add a cat to my pocket chart. And we're going to go to our graph, and I have to add a bar to my bar graph, like a little chocolate bar for the cat. How many cats do we have on our bar graph now from this week? 2. Good job. 2. How many dogs do we have from this week? 1. Excellent. All right, if I have 2 cats plus 1 dog, 2 cats plus 1 dog, how many do I have all together? Whoa, I heard friends saying it before I even finished my sentence. 3. Can you help me find 3 down here? Remember, around the tree, back it up, around the tree. This is how we make a 3. Good job. All right, let's read it together. Ready? 2 cats plus 1 dog equals 3 cats and dogs. Nice job, friends. All right, so now we are going to look at our number line. And we're going to look at this real quick. We are going to talk about some numbers on here. I see this number, and let's lift up this number. So who knows what this number right here is that I'm circling? 31. Excellent. Who knows what this number is? 45. So we're going to start counting from 31 just to warm up our brains and go all the way to 45. Are you ready? Here we go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Excellent job. Okay, so behind this red card is one of our tens numbers. That is 30. Who knows what number is going to be behind the next red card? I'll give you a hint. We count by tens for the red card. So if this is 30, 40. Excellent job. So if that's 30 under the first red card, this is 40 under the second red card, what's the last red card going to be? Start counting by 30. 30, 40, 50. Nice job, 50. Awesome. So now we're going to flip over here to our number grid. So if you look really carefully, it's kind of like our number line, but there's a whole bunch of numbers, and we wouldn't be able to stretch it out in one long number line or else it wouldn't fit on the computer screen. So every time we get to a 10, we go to a new line. Do you see that? 10, go to a new line. 10, go to a new line. 10, go to a new line. 10. Now it stops at 50 because Hap's number line stopped at 50 on the other screen, okay? So I want you to look really careful at this. This is called a number grid, and it starts with 1 and it ends with 50. Starts with 1 and it ends with 50 down here. What else do you notice about this number grid? Besides it ends with 10 at each line. Oh, I heard somebody say it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it starts over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it starts over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it starts over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it starts over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see that? Starts over again. Every time we get to 10, it starts over at 1. Nice job. What else do you notice? Oh, somebody said that the tens place goes up also. So watch. This is 10. So all of these start with 1 because they only have one 10. Then when we get to 20, all of these start with a 2 because we have two 10s, which makes 20. And then when we get here, we 3. So then all of these start with 3. Do you see that? Then we get to 4. Then all of these start with 4. Do you see that? Pretty cool. All right, so now we're going to play a game where we have to find a number. So up here in the corner, I have number cards. I am going to press this button that says toss, and it's going to toss a card, and we are going to, oh no, that's not find the number, excuse me. We're going to go back over here. Excuse me, wrong thing, Miss Morris. We're going to go back over here. Miss Morris is going to pull up a card, and then we're going to go back and see if we can find it on the number line, the number graph, okay? Here we go. 35. Take a look at it. 35. Are you ready? Where is 35? Put your finger on it. Put your finger on it. 35, right there. Do you see it? 35. We got it. All right, let's go back. Let's find another one. Let's lift up this one. Oh, what number is that? This is 40. 42. Good job. It starts with a 4, so it's 42. All right, we're going to find it. Let's see if we can find it. Where is 42? Put your finger on it. 42. Good job. There's 42. All right, we're going to do 2 more. Here we go. How about that one? What's that one? 48. Good job. Let's see if we can find it. See if you can find it. It's got a 4 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. 48. Put your finger on it when you find it. 48. There it is. Good job. I love my helpers. And I like how you're being patient for everybody else to find it. So if you find it and then you have to wait a little bit, that's okay because then you're being a kind friend and waiting for your friends to find it also. All right, here comes another one. Let's do this one. What's that one? This is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36. Let's see if you can find it. Put your finger on it and then be patient and kind for your friends. 36, 36. This was 35. It was right next door. That's right next to it. 36. Nice job, friends. Awesome. So you could play this game at home. Your moms and dads could find a number grid just by Googling it. Go on Google. You don't have to print it. You can just put it on the screen, and your parents could write a number on a piece of paper, and then you could find it on the screen just like you did with Mrs. Morse. You don't have to have a HAP number line. You just have to have a computer like you are looking at right now, or a phone, or a tablet, and then you just need to search for a number grid. Number grid right here. Just find a number grid. Play that game too. All right, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great hump day. It's Wednesday. Bye, friends.